What happens when you mix beets, carrots and apples, a glass of juice that destroys many diseases? Juicing is the best way to get the most nutrients from vegetables and fruits, as it will help you get up to 99% of their plant chemicals, minerals, and vitamins. Some researchers even claim that it is much better than eating these foods raw, as the high fiber levels will help digestion and support the function of the digestive tract. According to Cara Rosen at Plenish, the leading cold-pressed juice delivery company in the UK, juices aren't always about taking toxins out of the body but putting nutrients back in. When you think that you can press nearly 2 kilograms of produce into one glass, you start to realize how much goodness you can add to your daily eating routine. Juicing is a simple way to help weight loss, detoxify the body, strengthen the immune system, and lower the risk of cancer. The following juice will provide high amounts of fiber, calcium, vitamin C and A, iron, manganese, and folic acid found in beets, magnesium, potassium, carotene antioxidants, selenium, vitamin K, E, C, B and A from carrots, and fiber, vitamin C, glucose, fructose, carbohydrates, from apples. Its consumption will energize the body, help digestion, boost weight loss, improve eyesight, strengthen immunity, and improve overall health. Here are some additional health benefits of this juice. Improved heart health. The high amount of beta-carotene, alpha, lutein and many other phytonutrients in carrots will improve heart health, boost the elasticity of blood vessels, and lower the levels of the LDL, bad cholesterol in the blood. PMS symptoms relief. This healthy combination will soothe menstrual cramps and pain, and treat fatigue during the menstrual cycle. Improved skin health. The powerful anti-inflammatory properties of the juice will treat skin conditions, soothe allergies, repair skin damage, reduce wrinkles, and slow down the aging process. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 apple, 2 carrots, 1 beetroot, 1 slice lemon, optional, 3 cm piece ginger root, optional. Instructions: mix the ingredients in a blender or juicer, and store the juice in the fridge. Drink a glass of it every morning on an empty stomach, an hour before your breakfast. Then, drink the rest during the day. The results of the regular consumption of the juice will be felt very soon.